After recent airstrikes by Indian Air Force, Pakistan Air Force have increased nighttime flying all over Pakistan. The Chief of Defence Staff has said that based on technical parameters like electronic intelligence and signals intelligence, the Air Force will take out this particular data and share it with the media to show how many Pakistani fighter jets and radars were destroyed. Top defense journalists were told by the Indian Air Force that the Indian Air Force destroyed a total of 9 Pakistani fighter jets both in air and on ground. Nigeria has arrested 4 Pakistani terrorists that were training Boko Haram and ISIS terrorists in Nigeria. 16 Na-xals carrying 25 lakh rupees bounty have surrendered today. Prime Minister Modi is unlikely to attend the upcoming G7 summit in Canada. A senior Indian Air Force official has said that Pakistan's upcoming induction of Chinese J-35 is more symbolic than transformative, and the J-35 is unlikely to alter the balance of firepower in the region. Pakistan has officially listed 8 targets hit by the Indian Air Force that even India has not acknowledged so far, revealing the scale and depth of Indian missile strikes deep inside Pakistan. India has issued a NOTAM warning on its west coast in the Arabian Sea region for a naval firing exercise from 8th June to 11th of June 2025. Azerbaijan has built 16 newly built hangars for incoming Chinese-built and Pakistani-painted JF-17 fighter jet. A 10% water shortage has been reported by Pakistani media in Pakistan's Punjab province, and that water is being stolen by Pakistan Army officers for their land. India will gradually increase its defense budget to 4% of its GDP over the next decade, and the defense budget will grow to more than $300 billion by 2035. The DRDO has extended the range envelope of under-development M3 missile of Project Kusha from 350 km to 400 km, and will have the ability to intercept high-speed anti-ship ballistic missiles traveling at speeds of Mach 7. After Indian Army interest, the DRDO is all set to transfer the technology of 30 kW laser-directed energy weapon to the private sector to boost production. Garden Reach shipbuilders have signed MOU with Kongsberg Maritime of Norway to build an advanced polar research vessel for India. Franco-Italian turboprop aircraft manufacturer ATR is considering to establish a manufacturing facility in India. The DRDO is collaborating with the Indian Air Force to develop an air-launched version of the Pinaka known as Pinaka 4 next-generation rocket that will have a projected range of 300 kilometers. At a time when Russia has offered its Su-57 with full technology transfer and integration of Indian systems, the CEO of Lockheed Martin has said that some countries like India could see the procurement of F-16 as a stepping stone to F-35, and he proposed local production of F-16 in partnership with India's Star to Advanced Systems. Russia's TASS news agency has reported that the BrahMos-II is expected to incorporate design cues and technology from Russia's Mach 9-capable Zircon hypersonic missile, which is known for its nuclear capability and maneuverability at hypersonic speeds. 4 variants of the indigenous 155mm artillery ammunition have been found to exceed the requirements of the Indian Army, and final user trials will be conducted in November 2025, following which the indigenous ammunition will be ordered in large numbers. Today's top 3 comments.